can you expect to learn in this course? First, we'll start with the basic of group homes and shared living. You'll learn what a group home is, the different types of homes, and how they serve unique populations such as veterans, low-income families, or individuals with special needs. Next, we'll dive into the business planning phase. You'll discover how to build a solid business plan, choose the right legal structure, and identify target market and understanding the financial requirements. We'll also talk about the legal and the regulatory considerations you need to know before getting started. Then we'll focus on finding the right property. I love this. Going and touring those beautiful homes. You'll learn how to choose a location, understand zoning laws, and design space that's safe, welcoming, and fully compliant with the regulations. After that, I'll guide you through staffing your home and running daily operations while discussing how to hire the right people, manage residents, and create a thriving, supportive environment. You'll also learn how to maintain a smooth day-to-day operations while meeting all required standards. Finally, we'll cover the importance of marketing and community partnerships, which is very important. You'll get practical tips on how to market your group home, build relationships with local organizations, and create a referral network to ensure your home is fully occupied. So by the end of this course, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of the steps needed to launch and grow your group home business. Whether you're looking to start it for profit or nonprofit, or you're just figuring things out to find out the right model for you, this course will give you the clarity and confidence to move forward. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I can't wait to help you make a positive impact in your community. Let's get started.